I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies like the store. Achieving that perfect bakery-style sugar cookie starts with quality ingredients. Always use unsalted butter at room temperature for the best flavor and texture. Sifting your dry ingredients ensures a smooth dough, free of lumps. And for that distinct, professional taste, don't forget to incorporate a touch of almond extract. These foundational steps are crucial for a truly delicious result. Once your ingredients are ready, the mixing process is key. Cream your butter and sugar for at least 3 to 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. This incorporates air for a tender cookie. Add eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each. Finally, chilling your dough for at least 1 hour is essential. This prevents spreading during baking and allows the flavors to deepen, giving you a more refined cookie. Now for shaping your cookies. Roll your dough to a consistent thickness, about 1/4 inch, to ensure even baking. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin to prevent any sticking, but don't overdo it. Using sharp cookie cutters will give you clean edges and help maintain the cookie's shape. This attention to detail in rolling and cutting will make your cookies look professionally made. The final steps bring your cookies to life. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, just until the edges are lightly golden. It's crucial to let them cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about decorating. For that classic store-bought look and feel, royal icing is your best friend, providing a smooth, hard finish that truly elevates your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.